In the world of digital product sales on Etsy and crazy amounts of new competition, success totally hinges on effective marketing. And today I'm going to show you how to get repeat customers on autopilot. And if you're new and you don't have any customers yet, then be sure to stay till the end because I also have something for you. One thing that I'm going to be talking about today is email marketing, and I'm sure you are probably sick to death of hearing it. And it's something that I've referenced in many videos, but never actually shown how I use it on a week-to-week basis. But I really do believe that it has been one of the main reasons that I've been able to stay ahead of the competition with tons of new sellers arriving in the sublimation digital product space. So here are 8 reasons why you should be incorporating email within your Etsy digital product shops. Then I'll walk you through my exact email shop setup to show you exactly how easy it is. Number 1 is probably the most obvious, and this is total control over what your customers see as far as marketing. While Etsy does allow customers to favorite items, add them to carts, and add them to different types of lists, there's actually very limited direct marketing options that you have for your customers. And here is where the power of email newsletters comes into play. With email newsletters, you can establish a long-going and profitable relationship with your customer. You also significantly boost the chance of them purchasing from you again. They say that there is only a 5 to 20% chance that a customer will convert into a buying customer within the Etsy search, whereas with a repeat customer, they say the percentages go up to 50 to 60% of them actually purchasing from you again once they've already bought from you. Reason number 2 you need an email list is that you have the ability to grow off of Etsy. We all know that relying on Etsy can be very risky as they are a third-party platform and they do technically own the customers. They do have total control over your shop's presence, and suspensions and bans unfortunately are all too common. But with an email list, you will have direct access to your customers at any time and you'll be able to reach out to them if anything unfortunate should happen. Number 3 is that you'll have access to all types of better analytics to see what your customers are actually purchasing. You'll be able to understand which email templates work and with what subject lines, as long as you have a email autoresponder hooks up that can provide you all of this type of information. Even be able to drill down to the last cent to see what a particular email brought in as far as revenue. Number 4, you won't be dependent on an algorithm. Unlike Etsy or other social media platforms, you won't be at the mercy of ever-changing algorithms because you'll have direct access to your customers to be able to reach out to them within a few minutes. The email platform that I use, which is Everbee, has 100% deliverability rates, meaning that your message actually gets to your customer when you send it. Number 5 is that you're able to showcase your brand new products and launch new sales. So emails are a direct line to showcase your new products and any sales that you might be running. So anytime that you're running a bigger than usual sale, you should be definitely sending an email to let your customers know that you're offering a larger than normal sale, since most customers aren't on Etsy on a day-to-day basis. By emailing exclusive deals, coupons, and sales, you are creating urgency with your customer and enticing them to come back as soon as possible. Number 6 is that email allows you to share sneak peeks and kind of like behind the scenes footage or how you make your products, which only increases the chances for you to have a better relationship with your customer. Number 7 is that emails create brand recognition. Regular newsletters help in building brand recognition. Consistent newsletters will only bring your customers back again and again and create a consistent voice across all of your messaging platforms. This is really helpful when you are actually ready to move your brand off Etsy or establish a new site where you can sell your products as well, such as Shopify or a membership option on Wix like I currently do. Number 8 is that it's really important to choose a service that is compliant with Etsy's terms and policies for email marketing. And platforms like Everbee Email integrate seamlessly with Etsy and are compliant with all of their terms and conditions. And it really just takes 2 clicks and you are up and running with Everbee Email. So now that you hopefully understand why it's important to be building an email list from the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the back office of my Etsy Everbee dashboard and show you how easy it actually is to get up and running. Many of you already use Everbee as a keyword research tool. It should really be a no-brainer for you as far as integrating email into your day-to-day operations. We'll have the link to Everbee Email in the description below if you've not yet signed up. So all that you need is your email address and your shop name to get that connected. And once you are connected, your shop should look something like this. You will have your extension here on the left-hand side. So I'm just going to click on Everbee Email to bring up my dashboard here. And so it should look something like this. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is import your subscribers. If you do already have an email list that you've been building on another autoresponder platform, or if you have collected emails off of a Shopify site or a different type of e-commerce site that you've had people opt in before. So you'll just want to click on this subscribers button here at the top. And then this blue button here is called Add Customers. So this is where you will want to click on Add a New List, or actually import a list. This is where you will just drag and drop your CSV file that you've downloaded from your other platform or e-commerce site, and you can title it with what you'd like, and then you can just click the button that you do acknowledge that the person has consented to receive emails from you before. Once that's finished, depending on how large your list is, it will be displayed here. So the next step that you'll want to do is customize your subscriber page, or what is called your opt-in page. So this is just found by clicking View Subscribe Page, which is right here. And all that I have on mine is just join the Bailey Design Co. mailing list. It says get more free designs instantly and also receive free designs and exclusive coupons, free weekly designs, because I want them to be motivated to stay on the list, which is why I send out mine usually weekly. Can alter the colors of the buttons here. You can change the text depending on what you'd like, but basically it just needs to be something which is called a lead magnet to incentivize the customer to actually sign up for your email. Most likely, people are not just going to sign up for a free weekly newsletter if they don't think there's anything of value in there. So you do want to make sure that whatever it is that you're offering them is hopefully related to the products that you're selling and the niche and the audience. Once that is done, you can just click on Save Changes. Step is to actually give them the opportunity to join your mailing list. The nice thing about Everbee is that these are already set up for you. Mine have been set up for just a few weeks now, and as you can see, I have 94 new subscribers, and with a total revenue of about $550 that is being calculated from the emails that are just being sent out automatically. So the main one that you'll want to have turned on, and these are all going to be preloaded in here, you just need to edit them, is this order confirmation. And this is where my lead magnet is being delivered. So as you can see here on the right hand side, we have the text, and you can just click on the edit button down here, and this is where you can customize it depending on your store. So mine just has something as simple as thank you so much for purchasing. We're delighted to inform you that your order has been delivered. We hope that you enjoy your items as much as we enjoyed created them. And then I do have a little bit about downloading just because a lot of people ask this information, and so I just include it. And then right below this is where I have my want 3 more free designs, and this is my little call to action to get them to join my weekly newsletter. So it basically just says you'll get early access to new products, exclusive discounts, and free weekly designs. Just click this button to subscribe here, and this is what takes them to that opt-in page that I showed earlier. And down here, I actually have it just pulling the best-selling listings, which you can change this by clicking on this product button. You can switch it for it to be featured listings or newest listings, or it can just be best-selling, which is what I have. I haven't really altered anything with the colors, and that is basically it. So this is dynamic, and it is pulling the best-selling listings from my Etsy shop. And I found this funny because this email has generated over $176, meaning that they get this order confirmation and then they immediately come back and purchase off of this email. So I did find that really funny that people go back and immediately purchase again. So as you can see, I have this campaign is what it's called, set to auto, meaning that anytime anyone purchases anything, they also receive this order confirmation and the chance to go ahead and opt in to my email list. And yes, Etsy does send them one, but it is from Etsy and there is no chance for them to opt in. So they do get 2 confirmations, but I mean, if anything, this has only been up a few weeks and I've almost got close to 100 new subscribers, whereas with my old autoresponder, since they had to do a manual process of opening a PDF, downloading it, and then going and opting in, I've seen pretty much double over the last few weeks of new subscribers being added to my list. The other type of subscriber campaigns that I have set up, and these ones titled Welcome, 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 will also be loaded into your Everbee account, are just ones that are sent out every 3 days after this order confirmation email. They are just typical follow-up emails. They will usually have either the best-selling listings or featured listings being shown on those as well. And as you can see, some have $236, $11, $8. So they're all in different points of the process, and there will be some unsubscribes, but that is pretty normal. I am just pretty happy with this new subscriber count in the last couple weeks, just because I was pretty slow at growing, but I also do need to remember that a lot of my customers are repeat customers already, which is why I have about a 50% open rate, because a lot of them are already subscribed and on this email list. So as long as you have these set to auto, you can adjust how often they are sent and how soon after your order confirmation. As I said, mine are set to every 3 days. They go out to remind the customer to come back again or to check out if there's anything new. And then every week I send out a weekly newsletter with usually the newest products I've added or any other bits of information. And I didn't name those, but it's like this one right here. And that is just sent out manually. And you just do that by creating a new campaign right here. So you can just click on this new button, and they do have some templates that are already set up, or you can start from scratch and you can choose to schedule that or send it immediately. So it is very quick and easy to get up and running. It shouldn't take you any longer than 5 minutes. You basically just have to connect your store and that's it. But the big question is, what about you don't have any sales yet, you don't have any customers for these order confirmations to be going out to, and this is where I have something to help you out. So I spoke about this a few weeks ago in my last workshop, but I have created a free email workshop for all of you that don't have Etsy customers yet. This has nothing to do with growing your subscribers from within Etsy and is very, very easy to set up and can get you thousands of followers on your social media account as well as on your email list in just a few short days. This is exactly how I grew my social media account and email list about 1.5 years ago, and I did it all without showing my face. This is a totally free workshop, but you do need to be an Everbee account holder. And yes, I am an affiliate for them, but it is because I use them on a day-to-day basis, probably close to 50 times a day. I've always used their keyword research tool, and now I have migrated my list over to their Everbee email platform. And I am recommending that you have an Everbee account before doing this workshop, since it will be totally built around using this system, and because it integrates so easily with the Etsy platform and your shop. It is built 100% with Etsy shop sellers in mind, and it is totally compliant with Etsy, which is why I am choosing to promote my workshop with Everbee email exclusively. So if you do want to find out how to get thousands of email subscribers and social media followers in just a few days, then be sure to click the link in the description and in the pinned comment and follow the instructions to sign up, and I will see you on the workshop. Thanks for watching.